right, so special thanks to this company for sending me this very cool Firework LED strip light. So you can see it has app features, voice, and remote control. And this is kind of what it would look like on your wall, give or take. You can see here, bedroom, bar, KTV, get together, RGB, music, dimmable, built-in mic. Open it, app support, remote control, timing, indoor use. Various usage, and yeah, let's just open it up. No tape or anything, exactly how it came from Amazon. So we have our USB, this looks like the power cable here, and the power brick. So yeah, this USB cable plugs into our power brick, and then this plugs into here. And here we have our main switch. So this will plug into here, and then these will plug in to all of these. And then, wow, it actually looks like it's all together. So yeah, it's all, I don't want to take this out because it seems that you can kind of mount this and then just instantly be able to put the rest of it up. So this should be pretty easy to install. Very cool. You even got this little thing to help you here. Got a little quick start guide here as well. Because I don't want to take this all out and get it messed up, I'm going to leave it as it is. And we're going to get my phone, and then we'll come back. We're going to get my phone, and then we'll come back. We'll get these set up and show you these actually, and show you this Firework LED strip light actually working. All right, so now that the center part is in place, we'll just put out each of the parts of the Firework, and then it'll be installed. And so there we go. Now it is all put up, plugged in. And when it's nighttime, we can use the remote to show you what it looks like. All right, so this is the remote for the LED Firework. So if I hit our on button, so you gotta point it where it's plugged in at. And it is now, I got a widescreen, shooting off fireworks. I think it's based on the voice right now. Boom. Yeah. So let me go to widescreen. Boom, 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 boom. And then I think this button would take it like red. So yeah, now they're all red. See the remote now. I can go green, blue, white, and then you can see here there's all kinds of other little options. Length, music, stars. Let's do fire. What's fire look like? So there's fire. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Rainbow. Like I said, you got to point it where the box is at the bottom. So there's rainbow. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that. You get everything.
Yeah. A very, very unique and cool item for certain. This, with considering, as you saw at the beginning, how it goes along well with music, these would be great for like a basement. If, you know, you have parties and such, you could turn these on and they would go with the beat of the music. And it'd look pretty cool. But that'll do it for this video. This is the LED Firework. Hope you've liked it. See you in the next one. Deuces.